Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download ThinkPad X13 camera driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, guys. Very simple. Just go to this URL first, pcsupport.pcsupport.lenovo.com, which is officially website. You can download the driver, and you can see there are two type to install. First automatic, okay, and second manual. So automatic, you just click to now, scan now. Software detect scan your laptop and require driver just install to just one click. If you are getting some issues and like camera and audio and internet, so just click to download, and you can see the camera driver, click, and then multi-card reader, scroll down, find out the camera driver. You can see this, just click to download. It will, after some time seconds, it just start automatic downloading. After downloaded, just single click to click to setup, and then guys click to next, yes, and okay, then next, select I accept the agreement, next, install. Then click to, you can see this camera driver install, and then okay, and then finish it.